back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, 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 hello. Did you see the title of the video? I know, I'm excited, and it's behind these two doors. Okay, so happy Monday. First off, happy Monday. Thank you for all the love and support on Friday's video. Y'all are the best. You're just the absolute best subbies in all of YouTube. I say this all the time. Absolutely love my subscribers. Now, for all the new people, sit down. We're going to tell you a little story. Girls, ready? Let's tell them. What do we do on Monday? We declare in his name what we want to come into our lives, and we take all that awful negativity and awful self-talk and we throw it out the window. By negativity, by negative self-talk, by negative people. We don't have any time for you. We're declaring that this week is going to be a fantastic week, that all the things that we want to come into our lives are going to come to fruition this week. And I'm going to declare, you know what I'm going to declare? I'm declaring that I'm going to find my dream home. I mean, I don't know if it's ever going to happen, but I'm going to declare it. I'm declaring I'm going to find my dream home. Anyways, okay, so my laundry room. My laundry room is not a laundry room. It is a laundry closet, as you can tell. And I have pre-recorded a whole bunch of clips. And then I'm going to open these doors. So after the clips are all rolled and I voiced over them and you'll see me, I like did all the things and you'll see. I am going to open these doors and I'm going to show you where I'm at now. Okay, you ready? Let's roll the clips. So I'm going to pan back and show it to you. So there's really not much to it. It's, you know, standard washer and dryer. And this is like a bin that I always have here. I want to try and fit this in there. And yeah, I'm going to take everything out. I got some ideas. And I will show you what we're going to do. Okay, my YouTube peeps, let's get this done. Me and Angela, as you can tell, are moving the stuff out of the laundry closet. And here, I'm going to show you the brackets. I'm going to try and find a link for them, but you can get them at Walmart. So just so you know, you can get them at Walmart, but I'll try and find a link for them in Amazon if you're interested. And they're very, very good quality. You would be surprised how much stuff I had crammed on those little shelves. My goodness. Sewing kit, ironing, my iron, all kinds of things. Wait till you see what I start doing. Okay, so I'm taking the shelves off, obviously. Okay, now I'm going to tell you something. I do not recommend that you do what I'm doing. Moving washing machines and dryers by yourself. Do not do this unless you know that you're capable of doing this. Yes, I wanted to vacuum behind here. Oh my God, it's so gross. Wait till I show you. It's absolutely disgusting. But again, I'm telling you, I highly recommend that you do not move your washer and dryers by yourselves. Get someone to help you. Don't be me. I scrubbed and cleaned this laundry room so much. So much. And I'm telling you, it was spotless back there when I was done. I even did the walls. Yep. Okay, so now on to the shelves. I have a tiny little level. I don't have my big level with me, so I'm doing this as best as I can. Just grab a piece of wood, grab your level, mark out where you want to put your shelves. That's the best thing you could do, and this is what I'm doing here. And wait till you see the final result. Ta-da! What do you guys think? There it is. There's all the shelves. Okay, so this is what I've done. You saw the brackets, and then I built these plywood shelves. It's just 3/4 inch plywood, and then I did a little lip in front of it, like 1.25 inches in front of it, just to hide the mechanics and stuff. So if you're interested in that, that's what I've done. You could see it. You could see it better there. And I had to add a piece of wood there because I extended it, and you could tell that I had to extend it. Like I extended that one. Yeah. So that's what I did. And now I'm gonna stain these. Okay, let me turn the camera around and I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. You can see there that it's all done. I love it. I think it's so much better than it was. So much better. First of all, those little shelves on the side, like when you would go to put laundry, you'd like bang yourself on the head, those shelves coming out sideways. It was silly. I have way more storage now, way more storage. So what I'm gonna do now, because I don't wanna make this video excessively long and stuff like that, I have a lot of decor in the garage, laundry room decor, and I'll show you because I found one and I want to show you decor. I had gotten, it's a peg. Isn't it cute? So it's like a candlestick, or you can make it a vase, like whatever you want. So I got a bunch of this kind of laundry room decor, and I got some storage bins and stuff like that. So on Wednesday's video, come back, because I will have stained these. I'm gonna take these out to the garage and stain them now in a little bit after we're done. And then I'm gonna rummage through my boxes and try and find my decor. So on Wednesday, we'll do the final. But this is, you know, I mean, it was pretty, it was pretty embarrassing. I really hadn't touched it from the day we moved in. So behind was really awful. I mean, it was yuck. I mean, you saw it. So I didn't really play with it. And I'm so used to having a big giant laundry room, like a really big one, you know, with fancy washer and dryers. These work great, guys. There's nothing wrong with them. You know, they're great. This is again, I don't foresee myself. I mean, who knows? We don't know. They work great. Let's leave it at that. And I'm thankful and grateful that I have a laundry room in my house, and that's it. Because, you know, I know that there's people out there that are probably praying to have even this. And this was done so economically. I'm telling you, you can do this. I'm telling you, you can do this. Believe in yourself that you can do this. If you have a spot in your house like this, a closet or some kind of laundry room that you need, go to Walmart or go on Amazon. I'll find brackets like this on Amazon and I'll link them. Go to Home Depot, take the measurements, go to Home Depot and have them cut the wood for you. You can nail this and glue this together. I'm telling you, it's super simple. It is not complicated to build a shelf like this. You need a level. You saw me do the level. You know, you take a piece of wood and you level it out and you do the whole thing. It's super simple. So I know that you can do this. So I hope this gave you inspiration to do this. I love it. I cannot wait to organize it and decorate it and, you know, all the things. I was originally thinking that I was going to wallpaper the back, but Angela and I were like, maybe not, like just leave it. If later on in the future I want to add to it or whatever, maybe I'll do it. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see. But for right now, I think it's good. I think once I stain the shelves, it'll look really nice. Anyway, so that is the end of the video. Give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share, and go out there today, this week, and declare whatever you want to come into your life. Girls, declare it. I'm telling you it works. I'm telling you it works. I promise you it works. Declare what you want to come into your life. Have a fantastic, fantastic week ahead. Do only what you love. Don't let anybody tell you else what to do. Do only what you love. Have fun. Be creative. Go out there. Enjoy your life as much as you can. And I'll see you on Wednesday. So bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. See you Wednesday, guys. Mwah.